What is up, guys? Welcome to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you, and we got a lot of new subscribers, guys. Welcome to the channel, and thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'm Shemaine, the Reflection Cultivator, because everything I bring here is something I've grown, learned, upcycled, or made, and I bring it right here to the table to share with you guys. You guys loved the blue door in my last video. So in this video, I want to tell you the whole story about the door and show some more things I bought for the porch. So I had about $270 left in the budget. So I want to show you more things I got to add to the porch. And so hopefully this video will inspire you to do fun things to your porch. So the door. So I bought a Dutch Colonial Revival home, and I didn't just want any kind of door. I wanted a certain type of door. You know, it's an old house. It's like 100 years old, and I think it should have a nice historic type of door. I wanted a Dutch door, you know, the ones they're split horizontally so you can open the top half and keep the bottom half closed. They let the fresh air in, they keep your kiddos and pets from going out. They're charming, historic, they come in really great colors and have great hardware. I was obsessed with these doors, but then I saw the price. A quality Dutch door, custom size with installation, can run you anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. That was my entire porch budget times 10, so I had to be realistic. So I took a hard look at my current door. I mean, it's a solid door. It has these gorgeous arch windows up top, and I've always loved that about it. But it was in rough shape. I'm never painted, just that original manufacturer's primer, and it had collected years of dirt and grease and a few minor dents. It wasn't a Dutch door, but it had good bones and so much potential. Always start your design ideas with a good mood board. We painted the door, so now we need hardware to style the door. I'm approaching this the same way that I style my fashion. For the paint, the big chill color from Bear, my outfit, the door handle, and the door knocker are my accessories. And this is gonna look so nice on the door. So this is really gonna help with the door decor, make it look really nice. And I also get a peephole, which is a bonus for a door. So I noticed that people in this neighborhood usually do a lot of knocking. I have a doorbell, but people usually knock, so I didn't want them to dirty up my beautiful doors, so I got a door knocker. So this one is cool. I ordered this from Amazon. It has a little peephole. My brother's going to install it for me, so let's get it installed. I have to make a quick run. My brother said I need a special tool, so I went to Harbor Freight and picked up a spade bit set so he can install the door knocker. If you're one of my OG subscribers, you know I'm always up for an upcycle. So instead of being discouraged about a door that's not in my budget, I got inspired. I mean, who knew that all the things I love about a Dutch door, the colors, the beautiful hardware, would work perfectly on my old door. Next is a door handle. Found my lock set for a really good deal. It was $50 at the Habitat for Humanity Restore, but you can also find it at Home Depot and Amazon. And this is what color is this? This is the Camelot Aged Bronze, and it matches perfectly with the door knocker. So we're going to install this. So get the top part and the bottom part. You get like a deadbolt, and then you get the bottom lock as well. So he's going to put that on, and we're going to see how it looks in the end. I absolutely love how this turned out, but there's one thing, the storm door lined up with the peephole so you couldn't see out, so I need to remove this storm door. It's kind of killing my vibes anyway, so let's go ahead and remove this. So I grabbed my screw gun, took out all the screws, removed the door. I really want a storm door that's open where you can see the beautiful door behind. I'm glad this is coming off. Now let's talk about how I stretched my porch budget even further. So I needed like 3 plants, but instead of buying 3 separate plants, I bought one really full arrangement from the store, and for about like $15. And when I take it apart, you'll find that they're packed with multiple plants that make it look really lush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gently tease apart the roots and repot them into 3 separate planters. So I got each of these planters from the thrift store for like $1 each, and suddenly 1 plant becomes 3. So this is going to make my porch look so much fuller for a fraction of the price. So try this porch hack. It's a good time to find plants at your garden center because this is like the end of the season sale. So go ahead and find some and break it into 3 different plants. The goal for my porch was to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Not only do I want to sit and chill on my porch, but I wanted to have a space where I can store all of my garden care items because every single morning I water and weed my landscape. I know I can just use a water hose, but I love collecting rainwater in my rain barrel. I find that rainwater really perks up my plants, so I love quenching their thirst. And I need more rain barrels. Actually, this is one, and I could use like 4 more. It's been perfect to have water for those months when it's less rain. Conserving water is better on my budget. So check into getting the rain barrel, guys. I will link the one that I have below. So let's do a quick unboxing. So I got the Sheila Bridges and Walmart collaboration of her Harlem Toit home decor accessory set. So these pieces were originally made in the porcelain china, and now they're in melamine and acrylic. So it's perfect for that backyard barbecue or that picnic. These were made to commemorate America's 250-year anniversary and for Juneteenth. I got placemats, oven mitts, a water or lemonade pitcher, a tray, and a really cute ice bucket. I got these as a housewarming gift, and I will cherish these forever. These sold out really quickly, so I'm happy to have these. The ice bucket comes with tongs, and there's an inner basket, so it keeps the ice nice and cold. And in this box is the matching water pitcher or lemonade pitcher. I'm going to put some lemonade in mine, but I absolutely love this, and we're going to go ahead and have us a porch picnic. So let me make some lemonade and get everything ready, and let's enjoy this day because we did a lot of work. And there it is, a door that didn't cost me thousands, but gives me the same welcoming, charming feeling I fell in love with. Paired with thrifted planters, budget stretching greenery, and special pieces that make it feel like me. This curb appeal journey has taught me that you don't have to pay a high price for things to create that feeling that you're chasing. You just need a little creativity, some elbow grease, and the willingness to knock on your own door, literally. So cheers, and thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. And what you bring to the table is truly a reflection of you. So stay tuned to find out what I'm bringing to the table next. So if you made it to the end of this video, I do have $100 left to spend. The door lock set costs $50. Door knocker costs $15. Also found a new light at Restore for $25. And I got an address plate for the door that costs $30. I still have some accessories to add to the porch, but here is a rendering of how the door is going to look once everything is done. And again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.